Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Dan Style all the way from UAE guys, and I hope everyone's are doing good up there. So guys, as I'm back with another beautiful video, so I hope you already see the title over here, and I'm very like excited to do this thing. And guys, since a couple of months I've been starting my photography and videography journey here in UAE, and finally the day came here, and it has always been my dream, passion since my childhood. So I'm here to unbox my surprise for you guys. So let's do it. Dun, dun, dun. This is my RS3 Pro guys, DJI. So let's unbox this my beast. Wow, here we go. So guys, this is my RS3 Pro, as you can see, and this thing I was been waiting for long, and finally they came, and today I'm very happy and blessed that I have this thing. This is really super beast, and this is really awesome. I love this. So guys, probably this might be a battery, or let's see. No, it's a stand for gimbal. Let me get the side. I guess this might be the battery, and yes, here's the battery now. So guys, here you can see this is the handle grip for the gimbal, and let me get the side. And this one here, it is the camera mount, so where you can keep your camera here and adjust the gimbal. So let's do it. Let's assemble it. So guys, here are my gimbal parts which will be assembled now. Okay, so as you can see, the batteries, the mount, the grip, and the gimbal itself, and the handle, right, the tripod. So guys, let's do it now. Let's assemble this thing. So I'm going to put the mount over here, so it goes over here like this. Okay. So guys, finally my gimbal has been assembled, alright, but unfortunately I have only one camera for now, so the camera is shooting over here. So I'm going to use the same camera to do it over here, and hopefully in my other clip you'll able to see I will be attaching my camera in my gimbal. Okay guys, so anyways, thank you for your support. Because of you guys I'm here now. I can do all these things. Thank you for your love and support, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's your boy Dan Style, and please don't forget to hit that like button as well as the bell icon, alright, so which you can be notified of any of my videos upcoming, alright. So please stay tuned. It's your boy Dan Style, and stay peace and stay blessed. Ramadan Kareem.